started to make a move. Oh, nice backwardy. First was, so we're gonna swing around and see if we can't bring him to us. I'll put the decoy out in the sun. Stay tuned. Epic fail. The time I was coming over for, he was on the edge of this field. I had marked the spot. I didn't update the spot on X, and sure enough, I walked right up on him and he flew off. Then I just had two more fly off. I mean, they could have been hens or whatever, but I got a feeling he's gone. Yeah, we just keep walking, I guess. They'll come back. Alright, keep y'all posted. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of bummed. I really missed that one. Oh, this is uncomfortable. There we go. That's better. Sort of. Oh, that's good. Let's just find the tree. Is that one? Sure it is. Yeah, I'm just bummed. I really screwed the pooch on that one. That was my fault. I had a gobbler, and what it was is he was on the edge of a ridge with a field behind him, and I trucked it over there, and I didn't plot the point right, which is funny because where I plotted there were more turkeys. I busted 4 or 5 turkeys that took flight. Wow. Okay, glad we stopped here. Yeah, so that yeah, that didn't work out. So I think I'm gonna chill out for a bit. I know about probably 5 or 6 that gobbler should be coming through here if they keep the same pattern. I mean, I don't know if they are. I don't know if they're not. I've walked 4.5 miles today. I mean, it's been a great day, don't get me wrong. It just, you know, for that to happen, and that was just, I should have played it safe. You know, I have to find the middle ground. Either I play it too safe, or I just freaking go heads down, and I need to find a good middle ground where I can still take risks, but I'm still staying aware of the situation and everything. This is actually a really good spot. This is where I was yesterday evening. We got a road that comes through here. I busted a deer coming in. Yeah, I mean, it's just it's a good spot. There's a flat down there. I think I'm gonna move towards that flat. I don't think they're using this deer trail in front of me. I think they're using that flat ridge, and they might even be below that. So these are my creek birds, is what I like to call them, because they like to stay down towards the creek. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill out and cool down a bit. It is hot and I'm burning up, so well, I'm just gonna find a shady spot and relax, and then I'll probably call about every, I don't know, 30 minutes and just keep my ears open. And if they end up heading through here like they normally do, which I say that, this is my second day hunting here. I've learned a lot, and I understand a lot about the terrain. The reason why that bird was not coming to me is there was a 10-foot wide, 6-foot deep drainage between us, and he wasn't crossing that. He was staying right where he was, which I know they can fly, and because I made them all fly, including the one I was talking to. But yeah, so we'll see. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope today ends well. It's the last day of season. It'd be cool to tag out my first season, but yeah, I mean, both birds, I mean, experience will pay off, and more caution. So it's just lessons learned. Get those out of the way in the first year, and second year we can have a lot of fun. But next weekend I'll be in Virginia with my buddy Brandon. So turkey hunting last weekend for Virginia. So we're gonna make that happen. And yeah, all right, y'all take it easy. So you know it's steep when the deer don't even walk up and down it. They go side to side. Whew. Well, we're about halfway up. We'll get up on top, do some calling. Later.